Rain, sun, wind, snow. Poems about the seasons. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Our friend wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. A sunshiny shower. A sunshiny shower won't last half an hour. Splish, splash, spring. Slip on your raincoat, pull on your galoshes, wading in puddles makes splishes and splashes. Spring. Pitter-patter, raindrops falling from the sky. Here's my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. When the rain is over and the sun begins to glow, little flowers start to bud and grow and grow and grow. Summer. Ice cream, beaches, sandals, peaches. Flowers, flip-flops, picnics, ice pops. Reading, hiking, sweating, biking. Summer. Summer heat. In summer, when the days are hot, I like to find a shady spot and hardly move a single bit, and sit, and sit, and sit, and sit. Who has seen the wind? Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Autumn leaves. Autumn leaves are falling, falling, falling. Autumn leaves are spinning, spinning, spinning. Autumn leaves are floating, floating, floating. Autumn leaves are turning, turning, turning. Autumn leaves are dancing, dancing, dancing. Autumn leaves are blowing, blowing, blowing. Autumn leaves are falling, falling, falling. Autumn leaves are sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. An autumn greeting. Come, said the wind to the leaves one day. Come over the meadow, and we will play. Put on your dresses of red and gold, for summer is gone, and the days grow cold. Counting snowflakes. A million, a billion, a trillion, and still. The snowflakes keep coming. It's really a thrill. They swirl down quite quickly, right out of the sky, and I just keep counting. I wonder how high. I'm a frozen icicle. I'm a frozen icicle, hanging by your door. When it's cold outside, I grow even more. When it's warm outside, you'll find me on the floor. The Little Snowman. A chubby little snowman had a carrot nose. Along came a bunny, and what do you suppose? That hungry little bunny was looking for his lunch, so he ate that snowman's carrot nose. Nibble, nibble, crunch. Foolish. Often we are foolish. When it's hot, we want it coolish. When it's cool, we want it hot. Always wanting what is not.